the way the follower moves in a turn is 99.9% of the time the same. And we call that pattern molinete. And always will be that forward, side, backward, side, forward. So a complete turn for the follower. Keep in mind that you have to go through all these positions, and in this case, we are getting ready to start again. So you should be back into the first position. The first position will be this one, the forward step. Then you go side, back, side, forward. Keep in mind, that's the moment you have to emphasize the forward step. So you keep going, simplifying explanation. We will see this in more detail. But you followers will keep going up to that forward step. 1, 2, the forward step, the side step, the back, the side, the forward. That's when we are cross and ready to start again. Side, back, side, forward. And if we don't want to repeat, in the side step, we do the sacada and exit into the backward ocho. In the beginning, because leaders are learning to lead, help followers being very aware of this pattern. That's why usually the followers practice this pattern, the molinete one direction and the other, 10,000 hours. Yeah. That's what the wise people say, 10,000 hours. So practice it and eventually it will become second nature.